Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Alex and today I'm gonna show you how I use Altareach platform to find decision makers in different companies. So let's start. On the left you'll see some tabs, but I focus on the one that finds a single lead. Let's say we are looking for a business development manager at Shep. Boom! Found Robert and his email. They've got 39 open positions. Now let's switch to another company and search for a CTO. We've got 66 jobs listed. Great intel for recruiters and business developers as well. Here we are. So finally, let's check a healthcare company for founders' contacts. And here we go. Yep. Found Patty and her email. Perfect for outreach. Tons of job openings. That